Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Hello students, welcome back to Max class. In the previous lesson, we learned how to multiply a decimal by 10, 100 and thousands. Now, I am going to show you how to divide a decimal by 10, 100 and thousands. Let us see how it is done. What you noticed earlier on when did the multiplication with 10, 100 and 1000, we moved to the decimal point to the right side, isn't it? Look the example 1.345 into 10. The answer is 13.45. How do we get this answer 13.45? Here 10 has 1 0. So we have to move the decimal point to the next right digit. So 1.345 changed into 13.45. Okay. Then we multiply with 100. Let us see what changes can happen in the answer. 1.345 into 100 is equal to 134.5. Here 100 has two zeros. So you have to move the decimal point to the next two digits in the right. If you do, you will get the answer. All of you clear? When multiply with a decimal number, we have to move the decimal point to next right digits. But division, the steps is just opposite. When we divide decimal number by 10, 100 and 1000, you have to move the decimal point left to the next digits. Multiplication just move the decimal point to right. Division just move the decimal point to left. Now we can easily understand by example. All of you take your notebook and write heading division of decimals by 10, 100 and 1000. Write first question. Divide 22.4 by 10. All of you write the question 22.4 by 10. When divide a decimal with 10, just move the decimal point left to next digit. So 22.4 will be changed to 2.24. So answer is 22.4 divided by 10 is equal to 2.24. Similarly, when we divide decimal by 100 and thousands. Let us take the example. Write the question 22.4 divided by 100. 100 has two zeros. So move the decimal point to next two digits in the left. So answer is 0.224. The same way when divide decimal by thousands. Write third question 22.4 divide by thousands. When thousands, move the decimal point to the next three digits in the left. Here there are only two digits before the decimal point. So put one more zero at the beginning of the answer. So 22.4 divided by 1000 is equal to 0.0224. Let us consider a few more examples. Write down the question 43.75 divided by 10, 953.76 divided by 100, 3.4 divided by 100, 8.2 divided by 1000, 23.4 divided by 100. Okay, all of you write the whole questions. discuss each question separately. First one, 43.75 divided by 10. Here, divide by 10. So, move the decimal point left to the next one digit. So, answer is 4.375. Second one, 953.76 divided by 100. In this question, divide by 100. 100 has two zeros. So, move the decimal point 2 digit left. So, answer 9.5376. Third one, 3.4 divide by 100. When we divide decimal by 100, move the decimal point to left side 2 digits. Here only one digit, which is 3. So put one more 0. So answer is 0.034. Fourth one, 8.2 by 1000. Here 1000 again. You have to do the same steps. Put two more zeros at the beginning of the answer. So answer is 0.0082. Last one, 23.4 divide by 100. Move the decimal point to left 2 digits. So answer is 0.234. All of you clear? Okay. Then let us move to the next topic. Write heading, division of decimal by another decimal. Division of decimal by another decimal. We already done decimal division by whole number and 10, 100 and 1000. Now let us divide with two decimal numbers. Let us take one example for better understanding. Write down the question. Divide 3.76 by 0.4. There are few steps you have to follow for decimal division. Here you know 3.76 is the dividend and 0.4 is the divisor. Both are decimal numbers. So first change the divisor to whole number. In this question, divisor is 0.4. How to change this number to whole number? Just move the decimal point to the right side. Now divisor is 4. 0.4 converted to whole number. So divisor is 4. Next step, you have to change the dividend. If divisor change its decimal point, you should have to change the dividend decimal point. So, dividend 3.76, its decimal point change to one place right side. Now we have new dividend and divisor 37.6 divided by 4. The first digit of the dividend is smaller than the divisor. So consider first two digits. How many 4s in 37? Yes, 9 times. 9 into 4s are 36. So write 9 as a quotient. Then multiply 9 into 4 is equal to 36. Then subtract 37 minus 36. Difference is 1. Then bring down the next digit, which is 6. Now dividend is 16. How many 4s in 16? 4 times. 4 times 4s are 4 into 4s are 16. So write 4. Before writing the quotient, put decimal point. And write 4. Multiply 4 into 4 is equal to 16. Subtract 16 minus 16 is equal to 0. So a quotient is 9.4. Let us do one more example. Write the question. Divide 0.245 by 0.5. When we divide two decimal number, we have to change the divisor and the dividend. Here 0.5 is the divisor and 0.245 is the dividend. First, convert the divisor to whole number. To convert 0.5 to whole number, just move its decimal point to the right side. If you change the decimal point of divisor, you have changed the dividend also. So, change the decimal point of the dividend. 0.245 change to 2.45. Now we have new divisor and dividend. 2.45 divided by 5. The quotient is 0.49. Okay. One more question. Write down. Divide 8.64 by 0.04. First change the divisor, then dividend. Divisor convert to whole number. Here convert to whole number. You have to move the decimal point to 2 digits right side. So also change the decimal point of dividend 2 places right side. Now we have new dividend and divisor. 864 divided by 4. Quotient is 216. Okay, all of you clear? The chapter decimal ends here. Please note your homework. Exercise 1.5, page number 82. Complete your all homework in your notebook and send it to school WhatsApp number. Okay, thank you.